This is Azolla, the never-ending feed. Abantu byose leka basira nkhuku zoso nayo saso mawaso liyo saso kujosa everyday koma nkhuku kumango jabe kubanga feed daily you see izoduka nguzala once basi zimangopanga multiply very fast in multiplication. My results very good. Izizi we are feeding parent stock ya tuyama highliners. Yeah.